Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this absolutely massive Ford Ranger. This is in for our underbody package. It's having a new life down south, so before the vehicle goes down south they want to get all the underbody and everything protected for the new owners. So I've had a look underneath. It looks quite bad in the way of surface rust, but there's no actual rust. So what I've already done is I've already cleaned underneath and I have removed a lot of the flakiness. Then it's been sat here overnight. I've had the fan blowing underneath it throughout the night, so everything's going to be 100% bone dry. I'll get it up in the air, I'll show you underneath, and then we will do a little bit of scalping. And then once we've done that, then we get the areas that we've just scalped, we get them primed, and we're using epoxy primer as well, which is non-porous, so it's really good stuff. Once we've done that, we're going to be going over it with the Kent Tough Coat, and we will be doing 2 layers of that. So there's still quite a lot of preparation to do. As you can see, all I've done is clean the vehicle, so I'm going to get this up in the air, get it on the tables, and then we can go from there. As you can see, I'm getting my gear on. All that's left to do is put my mask on, jump underneath and get on with it. And there we go, that is the underbody done. We used 5 bottles in total, which is 5 kilograms. That'd be slightly more than that, I think, but yeah, it'd be about 5 kilograms, which is quite a generous amount. But obviously there's a lot of little nooks and crannies underneath the vehicle. We'll wait for that to dry. Once it's all dried, then I'll get you underneath and I'll show you what it looks like now. Right, now all the underbody's done, I'm gonna take you underneath and show you what it looks like.